Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to use policy events so that you never miss an important policy milestone again. NIC lets you monitor policy anniversaries, maturity dates, and even set reminders for client meetings, ensuring that you stay engaged and proactive. To start, navigate to any policy owner profile screen where you'll see a button labeled Add Policy Event. When you click on this, you will be able to have a notification sent to you either on a specific date in the future for a policy, or you can enter in an amount of days before an upcoming policy anniversary date. Once you've entered in all the required information, click Create, and your notification will be set. After setting up the policy event notifications, you can view the notification by clicking on the View Details button, then scroll down to the pending notifications, where you'll see your notification that you've just created, along with the list of all of your other policy event notifications set for this client. You can also click on the Actions button to view, edit, or delete the notification if you wish. When the notification is triggered, the user will receive an email notification alerting them about the event. And when they log into the platform, they will receive an in-app notification about the event when they click on the bell icon at the top right-hand corner. And when they click on the in-app notification, this will show the notification details for the policy. The change will also be documented in the notifications dashboard, which you can easily get to by clicking on the bell icon, then selecting the View All button. This is where you can view a collection of all of your policy event notifications, as well as your policy watch, premium tracker, and plenty of other notifications as well. You can also add policy event notifications to an entire list of policies, so you can have these types of events for a group of policies. Here's an example of how valuable setting policy event notifications can be. Say you wanted to be notified about the policy anniversary for all of your universal life policies. This will allow you to contact your client in advance of the anniversary to set up their review. To begin setting this notification, the list will need to be created first. Navigate to the Life Policies button on the left-hand navigation, then click on the plus button next to the product filter. Next, select the Universal Life product. Click on this checkbox, along with the underlined message, to select all records. Then click the Add to List button. Next, give your list a name. Once you're done, click Proceed, and your list will be created. On the list screen, for your list that you've just created, click on the Actions button, then select Add Policy Event. Next, enter in an amount of days in advance of each policy anniversary. Once you're done, click Create, and now you will be notified via email and through an in-app notification 60 days before any of those UL policies are approaching their anniversary, so that you can be proactive and get in front of your client. Overall, policy events in NIC let you track key milestones and set reminders for individual policies or entire lists, helping you stay proactive and engage with your clients. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.